Hey Liz, what are we opening today?
Today we've got a box that should contain, hopefully, the book 300 Animals. I've had a lot of students who are interested in zoology and the history of animal depictions throughout history. So I'm hoping, maybe, to add another book that they can use in classes. "300 Animals." Got a nice signature. Beasts, birds, fishes, serpents, and insects. Look at that beautiful title front piece.
Very cool. What kinds of animals are in here?
All sorts. Look at this. Oh, we've got a whale. Some sunfish. All right. I'm gonna have so much fun with this book, and so are students.